Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to use a stopwatch on a HUAWEI P60 Pro phone. To do this we have to look for our clock icon that's here, or we can just tap our clock that's by default here. Both ways will show us this screen here. The stopwatch is here. To access it, it's just a play, and the stopwatch now is counting our seconds. Stop, clear, that's all. It's a little bit hidden, but it's quite intuitive, I think. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.